Hello guys! Welcome to the vlog! Today we are at the grocery and this is the first time we brought River with us. That's River in his carrier. Ayun, tuwang-tuwa naman. Looking around, anak. Ang cute naman ni Dada niya.
So we go at Hypermart.
SM Hypermart. Kasi walang tao dito sa particular branch na to. Yeah. So, si Mommy lang and Daddy and River. Hi! Gamit na gamit yung kanyang carrier. Tapos, I just brought our diaper bag with us para if mag-change siya ng diaper. And this is... kailangan natin ng Del. Doon yung Del, no? This is our list. Tapos, tingin-tingin lang kami dito sa grocery. Pati lang yung list namin, no? All we need is these things. Kampi lang. So, let's start the one na may, ito. This one. That's what we need. Yes. The grocery, baby. Pag malaki na siya, pwede na siya dito. As of the moment, hindi pa. Ano, anak? Hindi pa. Ikaw pwede. May diaper pa siya. Ang dami, no?
Meron pa.
This is good. Calcium fortified juice. It's only 91. Tulog na ang baby. Oh, tulog na. Sus. Tulog na yan. Strong ni Dada. That's so cute. Sweet na ito. By the way, thank you Harold for this gift. We love this baby carrier. Guys, napakadali lang ng pila. It's just one person ahead of us. Kasi walang katao-tao dito sa SM na to. It's the best. So, bilis lang. Ito na yung mga napamili namin. Oh my God. The parking is free. And the parking is free once you reach 1,000 pesos sa bill mo. So, ngayon, ipapavalidate namin yung parking. Wait lang. Ipavalidate namin yung parking. Ito. Pakita ko lang yung resibo. Tapos yung parking slip. Yun. Let's see na. Free na yung parking natin. Yay! Yung bill pala namin, umabot ng 2,000. Well guys, nakauwi na kami. This is the end of the vlog. Thanks for watching. Say hi. Say bye. Bye bye. Bye guys. Thanks for watching our video. He's just playing right now. He's playing in Sleepy. Ano? Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye guys. Bye guys. That's it guys, that's River's first grocery trip and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!